chăm theo môi.
All right, set up the passing again. You have to get open if you want it. Come on, move around.
Oh.
Down the line now. Next time.
But on your toes, move
Down
around.
the line.
Go, go, Tigers! Go!
Come on, Audrey. Good job.
All right. Yeah, let's go on offense, Sarah. Get on offense. Come on.
Stay frosty, Liz. Stay frosty.
All right, Chile, get ready. Take your sweater off. You might need to go in.
My it was us.
All right, Coach. 2 for 3. Two for 3.
Go now.
Okay, all right, Joey. Come on.
You all right?
Cramp. You got a
Cramp.
stitch.
Rib.
Oh. They need to have a red card. Warning. Someone kick on the stomach.
Play hard, girls! Play hard!
Come on, Andy. How's the back now?
Andy, get back on D.
Outside. Just outside.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. Play hard.
Let it go, Liz.
Way to turn it, Liz!
Nice, very nice.
All right,
Get open
Andy.
for the pass.
Andy, Dewey's
How's
out.
the
We need
back?
you on defense.
Cover blue!
Let's go now.
That's you, Liz.
Outside.
Set up. Big kick. Hey,
Nice
good
job.
job.
Nice work!
Let's go.
He stayed there.
Hey, good fight. Let's go.
Down the line.
Hey, suck it.
Trying to
Down
film
the
the
line,
action.
Andy,
Hey?
down the line,
Stand
Andy.
there.
Can you go?
There you go, Andy.
That's good. Keep
Play,
going.
play.
Play, Andy!
Marty, by yourself.
Look,
By
look, look,
yourself.
Marty, you got nobody. What you see now? You got.
Head up.
Wow.
Keep playing.
Head up.
playing.
Play.
Audrey. Get Audrey. Right up.
Outside.
Kick it out.
All right, boy, Liz.
Okay, get back on D. Get back on D now.
Remember, trap quick.
Battle lady.
No one there.
This doesn't roll off the tongue, does it?
Marty, you can just turn it down your wing where you have
Etiquette,
Audrey
etiquette.
inside every time.
All you gotta do is just.
You got to
remember,
hear her
one
to know
touch,
where she
fine.
is.
Play hard, go Tigers!
Come on now.
Big
Go,
kick.
Liz.
That's you, Barthy.
Right on back.
One player behind you.
One on.
Yeah.
There you go. Way to
Go,
turn
go.
it. One of you.
Yes.
Go.
Yes.
There you go. Go. Here comes Bella streaking.
Push up. Get on.
Nice run, Bella.
All right, now let's go.
Well
White.
done, White.
All
Let's
right, move
go.
forward. Let's go.
Keep going, White.
Drop back, Andy. Drop
Come on,
back.
back on defense. Back on defense.
Kick it out. There you go.
Let's go. Back.
Sarah, go back!
Number 9, take her.
Just rocket the ball at the
We got it. Something.
What did they get the noise powder like noise maker?
Yeah, they're giving it out over there. On the other end. Yeah, you need to score some goals and all, and you get each other prize.
Nice throw. Nice throw. Okay, take it again.
Andy, do it again. Let's go. Down the line.
Get in position. Get in position now. Move.
Don't slow back.
Bella! Go forward! Go forward!
Cheer.
They're all fishing around.
That's it, Archana, control it.
Come on, Shaggy.
Go Tigers!
Tiny. Coaches back there. Look at that. She's played by 2 people. Hey, spread out. Talk. Good job, Sarah.
Outside, Liz. There we go.
Nice, Liz!
Marthy, call for it. Tell her what to do. Outside, Marthy.
Marty, call for it. Call.
Marthy, make sure she knows she has an option to pass.
Well done, Bella. Big kick.
Oh no!
Nice play, Varsha.
If that's not coaching.
Cheering.
Same thing.
Whoops.
All right, get set up. Set up.
I used to be in the spirit squad at school, so I mean,
Play hard, White!
I've gotten thrown out of games many
Go,
times.
Andy! Nice job!
Well done. Let's go, White.
Let's go now! Good job, girls!
Go, Tiger!
Turn,
Play
turn, turn.
hard!
Okay, come on, let's position. Get open, get open.
Why keep so
Careful on that.
Hey, boys, want some cuties?
Nice job, Andy!
Good.
Hustle now!
orange?
Get open now. Get open for her.
All right, settle. Yeah.
That's
Whoa.
It's very slick out there. Very slick.
it. Good job.
Good job, Bella!
Girls playing hard today.
Go now!
Keep it up. Get control.
Keep going. Go,
Good work. Go, Barty. Barty, it's you.
On half.
Play the pass. Play the pass. Here it comes.
Andy, on half.
Go help Barthy now. Go help Barthy. Help Barthy.
Good fight. Come on, Marty.
Go, Tigers.
Well done.
Barty, well done.
Done.
Nice.
Very good.
Big kick. Switch it.
That's
Yes.
perfect. That's nice.
Yes.
Set it up, Bella. Set it up.
I love it.
Okay, keep going. Now.
Way to do it, White. Do it some more.
Is that coaching? Watch the
Oh,
arms,
elbow
please.
there!
Call for it. Call for it.
Nice run, Andy.
That's you,
Sarah,
Sarah.
get that
Come
ball
on,
back.
Andy! Come on, hustle up!
Move back, Liz. Move back.
Come on!
Ref, offsides. Ref.
Hustle!
Thank you. He had his head down, he was going.
Too far.
Go all the way up here. All the way up here. Nice run.